sausage so good, you'll be gagging to shove this in your mouth. I'm Schuey, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to grill a farmer's sausage. I mean, how to grill a Boerwors. So just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. Any good butcher these days will sell Boerwors, like this one I picked up from Gippsland Premium Meats. Well done, Mick and the team, for always hooking me up. Cheers. Now, the only prep you need to do before grilling your Boerwors is to make sure you've got a cool, refreshing drink at the ready. Done. Oh, and you'll also need 2 cooling racks just like these. Pretty easy so far, nearly as easy as liking this video. I'm going to be using my Weber Go Anywhere today, or GA as they're known, because I want to be grilling over direct heat. And I'm going to open the bottom vent to allow as much airflow to the fuel as possible. So how I'll do that is by half filling a chimney starter with lump charcoal, lighting it up to create fire. And then I'll dump this into the GA. And then using an old pair of tongs, I'll just spread it all out. Put the grill in place. Don't forget to test your tongs with a double click before using them. Just grab both the trays and just spray them with some oil. And then just lay the Boerwors on one of them. And then just place the other tray on top to make a sandwich of sorts. So now just pick up the whole lot and put it over the hot charcoal. I know you're thinking to yourself, this is the worst looking sandwich I've ever seen. Trust me, it gets better. As you can see, it's going to smoke a lot, but it's time to flip them. Now, we grilled that side for 2.5 minutes, and we're going to do the same to this side. The main thing to remember is we need to cook this until the internal temp is 74 degrees Celsius. Why? This is minced meat, has bacteria in it, and we need to cook it properly so we don't die. That's 2.5 minutes each side. Now we're just going to flip it every minute, and we're going to check the internal temp with our internal temp probe. And that's the sort of colour we're looking for. This would be a great time to subscribe to the channel. While you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button will notify you every time I kill off bacteria. Today I'm cooking with a medium direct heat, and these Boerwors are going to take less than 10 minutes to cook. Or for those of you using my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Some people have asked if the beer timer can be substituted with wine or whiskey. You can try it, but it's not as accurate. The Boerwors are done. All we need to do now is get them off the heat before they burn. How good does that look? I told you this was a great sandwich. Now just let this rest for 5 minutes before gobbing down on a farmer's sausage. So let's just cut some of it off. Oh, perfectly cooked. As always, cheers for watching.